Hello my dear students, today we are going to discuss topic LCM and HCF.
First question, find the least number exactly divisible by 9, 24 and 36. So they're asking us to find least number exactly divisible by 9, 24, 36, which is nothing but we are supposed to calculate LCM. Okay, we are supposed to calculate LCM. So calculate LCM for 9, 24, 36. Now generally if you observe, we all know how to calculate LCM for given numbers. Yes or no? Already we have learned this in childhood. But now, as I have told you, I am going to share you only smart approaches for your examination. Okay? I am not going to teach you all the basics which we have learned in our childhood. If you are looking for very basic level, then you need to join the course where I am going to teach basic level techniques and I am going to teach advanced level techniques also. Both of them parallelly I am going to do. But here I am not going to teach all the childhood things whatever we have done. I am going to solve these questions straightforward examination point of view. But how do we do generally in examination? How do we generally do? You all know that generally what we do is to calculate LCM for 9, 24, 36. Generally what we will do? So look. First starting with 3 times, okay, next 3 8 times, next 3 12 times, yes or no? Again you will, so this process will go on continuing, yes or no? This is how basically we do, yes or no? But truly speaking, if you are going to do all this calculation examination, it's completely waste of your time, yes or no? In examination, every second is important. So first basic thing you need to understand is while calculating LCM, if you think that one number is a factor of another number, you can simply neglect that number. Okay? So I am going to explain it here. Look here, we have numbers 9, 24, 36. If you find one number is a factor of other number, simply neglect that number. Now if you observe here, 9 is factor of 36. 9 4s are 36, yes or no? So 9 is factor of 36, you can simply neglect 9, okay? Next if you observe here, we have 24 and 36. 24 is not factor of 36, 36 is not factor of 24, so definitely we need to do calculation for 24 and 36. Whether you do calculation for 9, 24, 36 or if we do calculation for 24 and just 36, both of them answer will be same, there will not be any change. Is that clear? But observe carefully. Now I am not going to do calculation. What I am going to do is, I am going to look at highest number. Okay? Out of these two, what is the highest number? Now 24, 36, which is the highest number? 24, 36? 36 is the highest number. Now observe carefully, I am going to share important point with you. Most of the times, if you observe carefully, what happened here is LCM should be either highest number, LCM should be either highest number or multiple of highest number. Is that clear? LCM should be either highest number or multiple of highest number. Multiple of highest number means 36 one time, 36 two times, 36 three times, 36 four times, like that. Okay. So first of all, you need to know what is the highest number. Most of the times highest number will be your LCM or else multiples of highest number should be the LCM. That's it. Simple point. Now if you observe here, highest number is 36. Now either 36 should be our answer or multiples of 36 should be your answer. Okay. But observe carefully, 24 cannot be your answer. 9 also cannot be your answer. Why? What is the reason? Why means our answer should be either 36 or multiples of 36. 36 multiple means 36 one time, 36 two times, 36 three times, yes or no? So 9 is not multiple of 36, 24 is also not multiple of 36. So simply you can eliminate them, yes or no? So answer should be either 36 or 72. Now observe carefully, if I take 36, look here carefully, is 24 factor of 36? No. Or in other words, I can say, when I say LCM, LCM should be divisible by all the given numbers exactly. But if you observe here, 36 is not divisible by 24. 36 is divisible by 36. 36 divided by 36 means one time. But is 36 divisible by 24? No. 36 is not divisible by 24. So 36 cannot be LCM for 9, 24, 36. Now if you observe here, finally we are left out with what? 72. And answer for this question is 72. We have exclusive batches of arithmetic, reasoning, English, general studies. All these batches are available. Complete English medium classes will be discussed in that. If you want to watch classes in bilingual languages, in Telugu and English combined together, even those also available. We have exclusive English medium classes. We are going to cover each and every topic in detail in these courses. If you want any of these subjects, you can take. Or else, if you want to take arithmetic, reasoning, advanced maths combined together, we have 0-tier batch. In this batch, all 3 subjects I am going to teach, and I am going to teach it from very basic to advanced level. In this, we are going to provide you classes, PDF material for each and every topic, and topic exams also will be provided in this batch. So all these batches are available, and as I have told you, railway batches, railway group D batch, railway NTPC, railway LP, all these batches are available, classes are available separately in English medium and separately in Telugu medium also. And coming to SSC, all CGL batches, CHSL, MTS, stenographer, GD, CPO, all these batches are available. And for bank aspirants, bank examinations batches also available. Next question, find least number which is exactly divisible by 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So look at this. So here they are asking us to find LCM for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Is it clear? So this is what we are supposed to find. As I have already told you, while calculating LCM, you can directly go to the highest number. Highest number is what? 25. Is that clear? Highest number is 25. So LCM should be 25 or multiples of 25. Is that clear? It should be either 25 or multiples of 25. Now observe carefully. 300 is multiple of 25. 250 is multiple of 25. 200 is multiple of 25. 150 is also multiple of 25. Which means all the given options are going to satisfy the condition. Now observe carefully. I told you one more point. While calculating LCM, if you think that one number is a factor of other number, simply neglect it. So 5 is factor of 10, 15, 20 and 25. So if it is factor of one number at least, you can neglect it. So neglect it. 10 is factor of 20. So neglect it. So finally we are left out with 15, 20, 25. 15 is not factor of 20, 25. 20 is not factor of 15, 25. Similarly, 25 is not factor of 15 and 20 also. Which means we are left out with 3 numbers 15, 20, 25. So our answer should be divisible by 15, 20, 25. Yes or no? Least common multiple means LCM. Yes or no? Now LCM should be divisible by these 3 numbers. Actually, all these numbers, by all these numbers it should be divisible. But anyway, you can neglect this. That is the reason I am not going to consider these 2. Now LCM should be divisible by 15, 20, 25. Now if you observe carefully, look here. If you observe carefully, what happened? If you observe carefully, 150 is divisible by 15, but it is not divisible by 20, which means it is not your answer. Similarly, if you observe here, 200 is divisible by 20, but 200 is not divisible by 15. So this is also not your answer. Next, 250 is divisible by 25, but 250 is not divisible by 20. So this is also not your answer. And if you observe here, finally we are left out with 300, and 300 should be your answer. Find LCM of 186.6 and 373.2. Okay, so we need to find LCM for these 2 numbers. Now observe carefully. We have 2 numbers, yes or no? 186.6, 373.2, yes or no? As I have already told you, out of these 2, highest number is 373.2. So our LCM should be either 373.2 or multiples of 373.2. Multiple means it should be greater than this number. But look here, this is smaller than this number, wrong answer. This is also smaller than this number, wrong answer. Now we are left with these two, and obviously if you observe here, 398.2 is not multiple of this number. So I can happily say answer for this question is 373.2. And one more thing I can say here, 186.6 is a factor of 373.2. So simply neglect this. If you neglect this, finally you are left with only 373.2. So directly you can say 186.6 if you do 2 times, it is nothing but 373.2, which means 186.6 is factor of 373.2. Is that clear? So answer for this question is option 1. So next we have questions based on HCF. HCF is nothing but highest common factor. LCM is least common multiple. HCF means highest common factor. HCF is also called as GCD, greatest common divisor. Is that clear? So we need to know HCF for 36,198. Is that clear? 36,198. We need to know HCF for this. Now observe carefully. When you are calculating HCF, you already know how to calculate HCF in a normal traditional way. You already know that. Yes or no? But now I am not going to solve normal traditional way, as I have already told you. Yes or no? So I am not going to solve it. I am going to say you the smart approach. If you are looking for basic calculation of how to do, then I told you clearly, download Chandan Venna app, you will find everything from basic level. Okay? But here, as I am going to solve questions in examination point of view, that is the reason I am solving these questions only in a smart way. Okay? Now look here, HCF of 36,198. So I need to say one important point here while finding HCF. While finding HCF, sometimes they will give you 2 numbers, sometimes 3 numbers, sometimes 4 numbers. Anything, it's fine. You need not worry about that. Whether it is 2, 3, 4 numbers, I will show you how to solve them. You need not worry about that. So first point you need to know is, while calculating HCF, try to know what is the smallest number. Okay? Try to know what is the smallest number. 36,198, what is the smallest number? Smallest number is 36. Yes or no? Smallest number is 36. Now, HCF should be either 36 or factors of 36. Very important point you need to note. HCF is nothing but highest common factor. While calculating HCF, try to know what is the smallest number. If you know what is the smallest number, HCF should be either smallest number or factors of smallest number. This is the straightforward point. Whatever the point I told with respect to LCM, the same point is there for HCF also. In LCM I told you, try to know what is the highest number. So LCM will be either highest number or multiples of highest number. That is what I have shared with you. But in HCF what happens is, try to know what is the smallest number. Once if you know the smallest number, HCF will be either smallest number or factors of smallest number. Yes, now observe carefully. Smallest number is 36. So our HCF should be 36 or factors of 36. Remember carefully, factors of 36 should be less than 36. Yes or no? This is the basic point. Yes or no? Factors of 36 means, factors of 36 are what? Factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Yes or no? Now all these are factors of 36, so on. Now factors of 36 are less than 36. Yes or no? This is a straightforward, simple point. Now observe carefully. If you observe here carefully, 22 is not factor of 36, simply neglect it. 22 is not factor of 36, simply neglect. Now 36 is factor of 36, 18 is factor of 36, 9 is also factor of 36. Okay? Now I need to know which is the answer. Okay? Now observe carefully. 198, is it divisible by 36? 198 is divisible by 36. When I say HCF, it is nothing but highest common factor. So 36 should be factor of this number and this number. If it should be factor means this number should be divisible. 198 is divisible by 36? No, which means 36 also can't be factor. Okay, so 36 is not our answer. Now if you observe here, 18, 9, out of these two, 18 is factor of 36, 18 is factor of 198 also. Observe carefully. 18 is factor of 36, 18 into 2. Similarly, 18 into 11, yes or no? So 18 is factor of 36, 18 is factor of 198, which means HCF for this is 18. And we should not say 9. Why? The reason is we are looking for highest common factor. Actually 9 is also factor of both, but we should not say 9. Why? The reason is 18 is highest when compared to 9. So we are looking for highest common factor. So 18, 9, both of them, who is the highest means 18 is highest number. So definitely our answer is going to be what? 18. Is that clear? Simple straightforward point. Try to know what is the smallest number. Okay, once if you know smallest number, HCF should be either smallest number or factors of smallest number. That's it. Using that point, you can eliminate the options and you can say the answer. HCF of two numbers 110 and 1980. HCF of two numbers 110, 1980. I am going to give you just 6 seconds time. Observe carefully. As I have told you point clearly, out of these two, what is the smallest number? Smallest number is 110. As I have told you clearly, HCF should be either smallest number or factors of smallest number. Yes or no? Now I told you factors of smallest number means factor should be always less than 110. Yes or no? Less than or equal to 110. It can be greater than 110. Now if you observe here, 140 is greater than 110, 120 is greater than 110, 180 is greater than 110. So simply all of them will be eliminated. Why? Means factors are always less than or equal to the number. It can't be more than that. Yes. So that is reason all are eliminated. So I can say 110 is going to be my answer. Is that clear? 110 is going to be an answer. Simple straightforward point. This is 110 into 1. This is 110 into 18. Is that clear? 110 is HCF. Look at next question. HCF of three numbers 98, 175, 210. Now look, again so many students they get worried. Sir, now I got three numbers. If it is two numbers, it is easy. But three numbers, what to do? Very simple. You do not worry about this. I am sharing you the best approaches. You just follow what I am saying. You practice more examples. Definitely you will find best time saving techniques while you are applying whatever the techniques I am going to teach you now. Okay. So look, I need to find HCF of three numbers 98, 175, 210. Okay. So I need to find HCF. Okay. Now observe carefully. As I have told you already, when it is two numbers, you know how to calculate. Three numbers also same technique. Take the smallest number. Okay. Take the smallest number. HCF will be either smallest number or factors of smallest number. Okay. You can do in this way, or else what you can do is take the difference. 98, 175 difference is going to be how much? Difference is 77. 175, 210. Difference is going to be how much? Difference. 175, 210. Difference is going to be how much? Difference is 35. Okay. Now observe carefully. One important point I need to share with you. Calculating HCF for these three numbers or calculating HCF for these two numbers will give us same answer. Is that clear? Again, so many students will get worried. If number of numbers are 3, 4 like that, they will get worried. But simple, whenever you have 3 numbers or 4 numbers or more than that, simply take the differences. If you have 4 numbers, when you take difference, you will get 3 numbers. Again take difference, you will get 2 numbers. Yes or no? Then it is very easy. Is that clear? So, if number of numbers are more than 2, don't worry about that. Just take the difference. when you take difference, you can take difference till 2 numbers, okay, till 2 numbers. It will be very clear whether you calculate for these 2 numbers or these 3 numbers, or if it is 4 numbers, answer is going to be the same, no change in answer. Yes, if you want you can check it, answer will be same, there is no change. Okay, so observe carefully, 77, 35. So now observe carefully, these two, what is the smallest number? Smallest number is 35, yes or no? In these two, smallest number is 35. So HCF should be either 35 or factors of 35. Let us look. 6 is not factor of 35, 3 is not factor of 35, 5 is factor of 35, 7 is factor of 35. Yes or no? Out of these two, highest number is 7. Now let us check whether 77 is divisible by 7. Yes, 77 is divisible by 7, which means answer for this question is 7. Observe here, LCM of 3 by 8, 5 by 16 and 7 by 2. Observe carefully, in examination, you will get fractions also, fractions. How to calculate LCM for fraction? You need to know that. And similarly, you need to know how to calculate HCF for fraction also. I am going to explain both of them. Observe carefully. Look here. LCM of fraction. LCM of fraction. A by P, B by Q, C by R. So LCM of A by P, B by Q, C by R is what? Observe carefully. What? It is nothing but LCM of A, B, C divided by HCF of P, Q, R. Is it clear? LCM of ABC divided by HCF of PQR. So for numerator you need to do LCM, for denominator you need to do HCF. Is that clear? Similarly, HCF of fraction. HCF of A by P, B by Q, C by R. HCF, it is nothing but HCF of A, B, C divided by LCM of P, Q, R. Is that clear? LCM of fraction means for numerator you need to calculate LCM, for denominator you need to calculate HCF. HCF of fraction means for HCF you need to calculate, for numerator we need to calculate HCF, for denominator we need to calculate LCM. Okay? LCM means numerator LCM, denominator HCF. HCF calculation means numerator HCF, denominator LCM. Is it clear? So LCM of fraction is nothing but LCM of numerator divided by HCF of denominator. HCF of fraction means HCF of numerator divided by LCM of denominator. Is it clear? This is how you are supposed to solve. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now I am going to share answer for this one. Observe carefully. Everyone observe carefully. If you want to note this point, you can note it. So I need to calculate LCM for 3 by 8, 5 by 6 and 7 by 12. Okay. So what I need to do now? First I need to calculate LCM of numerator. LCM of numerator is what? 3, 5, 7. LCM of numerator divided by HCF of denominator. Yes or no? HCF of denominator. So denominator what we have? 8, 16, 2. Yes or no? LCM of numerator divided by HCF of denominator. Yes or no? Okay. Now observe carefully. 3, 5, 7. I need to calculate LCM. Yes or no? 3, 5, 7. I need to calculate LCM. Now I told you how to calculate LCM. Highest number is what? Highest number is 7. Yes or no? Highest number is 7. And if you observe here, no number is factor of other number. 3 is not factor of 5, 5 is not factor of 7. Yes or no? All are unique numbers. So LCM is nothing but just multiply 3 into 5 into 7. 3 into 5 into 7, 3, 5 times 15, 15, 7 times, so it is going to be 105. So LCM of 3, 5, 7 is 105. Next HCF. 8, 16, 2. 8, 16, 2. Smallest number. What is the smallest number? Smallest number is 2. So HCF should be either 2 or factors of 2. If you observe here, 8 is divisible by 2, 16 is divisible by 2, which means 2 is HCF. Yes or no? This is 2 4s, 2 8s, 2 1s. Yes or no? So I can say HCF for 8, 16, 2 is nothing but 2. Yes. Now just to simplify this one, if you simplify this one, this will be how much? 52 1 by 2. Yes or no? 52 1 by 2. Okay. 52 1 by 2 is going to be an answer. HCF of 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 6 and 7 by 8. Okay. So HCF, you know how to calculate. HCF of numerator. HCF of numerator. Numerators are 1, 3, 5, 7. HCF of numerator divided by LCM of denominator. LCM of denominator. Denominator 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. So now just comment your answers. Okay. HCF 1, 3, 5, 7. Smallest number is what? 1. So HCF for this is going to be 1. Yes or no? HCF is going to be 1. LCM 2, 4, 6, 8. Smallest number is what? Here smallest number is, sorry. So LCM means we need to look at highest number. Yes or no? LCM means we need to look at highest number. So 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. If you observe here, what happened? 8 is highest number. Yes or no? 8 is highest number. So 2 is factor, 4 is factor. You can just cancel them. Okay. So 6, 8, both of them combined. What is the LCM means? 24. Yes or no? So answer for this question will be 1 by 24. Yes. 6, 8 LCM. 6, 8 LCM is nothing but 24. So HCF of numerator divided by LCM of denominator. Answer for this one will be 1 by 24. If HCF of x y cube, x square y and x cube y power 4 is xy. So HCF of these three is xy. Then their LCM is. So they are asking what is LCM of these three numbers. It is very clear. X power 3 y power 4 is going to be the LCM. Y means x y cube is already here. X square y is also already here. So answer for this is going to be how much? X cube y power 4. X cube y power 4 will be LCM. Next question, look at this one. Two numbers are in the ratio 6:5. If their HCF is 3, then what is the LCM of two numbers? So they're asking us to find LCM of two numbers. Ratio of two numbers is given. HCF is also given. So if you know ratio of two numbers and HCF, it is very easy to find LCM. Yes or no? So just how to calculate LCM? When ratio of numbers is given and HCF is given. Just what you need to do is simply just multiply them. 6 into 5 into HCF is going to be how much? 3. That's it. This is going to be an answer. 6 to 5 times 30. 30 3 times is going to be 90. Yes or no? So answer for this question will be 90. Okay. Just simple. So when you have ratio of numbers and HCF, and if you need to find LCM, just multiply them. You will get the answer. Is it clear? The LCM of two numbers is 120 and the numbers are in the ratio 3:8. The sum of numbers will be. So they're asking us what? Sum of numbers. Yes or no? They're asking us to find sum of numbers. Okay. Sum of numbers they're asking us to find. So LCM of numbers is given. LCM of numbers is 120. Okay. And numbers are in the ratio 3:8. Okay. And they're asking us to find sum of numbers. Okay. Look here. Here we don't know what is HCF. Yes or no? But we know numbers ratio and we know LCM. We don't know HCF. But I told you just how to calculate LCM when numbers ratio is given and HCF is also given. So numbers ratio is given. So just multiply those numbers. 3 into 8. HCF I don't know. As I don't know HCF, take HCF as H. Or you can just take it as X or anything, whatever you want. Okay. I am taking it as just X. So when I multiply these numbers, ratio of numbers into highest common factor. When I multiply them, it is nothing but LCM. So now this is equal to 120. Yes or no? So if you simplify this one, 3 8 times will be 24. 24x equal to 120. So from this I can say x is equal to how much? X is equal to 5. So once if I know x value, now this is nothing but 3x. This is nothing but 8x. Yes or no? What are those numbers? I don't know. I don't know what are those numbers. But I am taking 3x, 8x. So when I calculate LCM, I came to know x value is nothing but 5. Once I know x value, question is asking sum of numbers. Sum of numbers means 3x plus 8x. 3x plus 8x, that is nothing but 11x. So I know x value. So 11 into 5. So answer is nothing but 55. Yes or no? So answer for this question is 55. Three numbers are in the ratio 2:3:5 and their LCM is 90. Find their HCF. Again same question. Yes or no? But here we have three numbers. So look, 2 into 3 into 5 into H. So I don't know what is highest common factor. So take it as H. Now this is equal to what? This is equal to 90. Yes or no? This is equal to 90. Now look, 2 3 times 6 is 6, 5 times is nothing but 30. So 30H equal to 90. H equal to how much? H equal to 3. Yes or no? So answer for this question will be 3. Next one. The HCF of two numbers is 17 and the other two factors of their LCM are 11 and 19. The smallest of two numbers is. Look here. HCF is given. Okay. And other two factors of their LCM is given. They're asking us to find smaller of two numbers. Simple. I need to find smallest number of the two numbers. So look here, 11, 19. What is the smallest number here? 11. Yes or no? So I need to know 11 into HCF is how much? 17. So 11 into 17 if I do, so answer is going to be how much? 187. Yes or no? So smallest number is going to be 187. Next question. The LCM of two numbers is 4, 1. HCF is 9. If one of the number is 171, find the other number. So one number is given and LCM of two numbers is also given. HCF is also given. We are supposed to find other number. Very simple finding other number. 4104 divided by 171. Why means LCM of two numbers is nothing but 4104. Yes or no? One number is nothing but 171. HCF is how much? 9. Yes or no? This is simply as, either you can do in this way or you can do the same question in this way also. If you observe here, one number is how much? One number is 171. Other number I don't know. Let us assume the other number value as y. And I know HCF. HCF is going to be how much? HCF is 9. Yes or no? HCF is 9. And LCM of these numbers is how much? 4104. Yes or no? So LCM of two numbers is given. HCF is given. One number is given. Okay, if one number is given, I can't take this one. Yes or no? So if you observe here, just calculate this. Calculate this. How many times this will be how much? 24. Yes or no? So once if I know this value, other number I need to find. Other number means just 24 into 9. 24 into 9 means this will be how much? 180 plus 36, 216. Yes or no? So answer for this question will be 216. Next one. Sum of two numbers is 18 and their HCF and LCM are 3 and 54 respectively. What will be the sum of their reciprocals? So question is asking sum of reciprocals. So let us assume numbers are AB. Okay. Okay. Numbers are AB. Reciprocal means reciprocal of A is 1 by A. Reciprocal of B is 1 by B. So question is asking sum of reciprocals of numbers. So 1 by A plus 1 by B. Yes or no? So when we take LCM, LCM will be AB. In the denominator we will get B plus A. Yes or no? B plus A. Now if you observe carefully, sum of two numbers is how much? Sum of two numbers is 18. Sum of two numbers is 18. Okay. Next, their HCF and LCM are 334. So HCF is given to us, LCM is given to us. Now observe carefully. We already know product of two numbers equal to product of LCM HCF. Yes or no? We already know this. Product of two numbers equal to product of LCM HCF. Now product of two numbers I need to know. But I know what is L value, what is H value. H value is 3. L value is 54. Yes or no? Now AB is nothing but 54 into 3. Yes or no? AB is nothing but 54 into 3. Yes or no? 54 into 3. Now just to simplify this one, just to simplify. 54 cancels in 8 how many times? 3 times. So 1 by 9 is going to be our answer. 1 by 9. Next question. What is the ratio between HCF and LCM of numbers whose LCM is 48 and product of numbers is 384? So question is asking us what? Find ratio between HCF and LCM. Ratio between HCF and LCM. We already know LCM. LCM is how much? LCM is 48. Yes or no? LCM is 48. But we don't know what is HCF here. But here we have product of two numbers is what? 384. Product of two numbers. We already learned just before, I already told you, product of two numbers is equal to LCM. Product of two numbers is equal to product of LCM HCF of two numbers. That is what I told you. So product of two numbers divided by LCM will give us HCF. Yes or no? Product of two numbers divided by LCM will give us two numbers. Product of two numbers divided by LCM will give us HCF. Why means I don't know HCF directly. HCF directly is not given to us. But we know product of two numbers and we know LCM. So based on that, product of two numbers is how much? 384 divided by LCM is going to be how much? 48. Yes. Now just simplify this one. Just simplify this. If you are going to simplify this one, how many times? Just simplify this one. How many times it is going to cancel? How many times it will cancel? Just look at this. 48. 8 times if you observe, this will be how much? 320 plus 64. 384. Yes or no? So 8 times. Next, if you observe here, 8 table cancels here how many times? 1 time. 8 table cancels here how many times? 6 times. So ratio will be how much? 1:6. Next question. If HCF of two numbers is 8, then which of the following can never be their LCM? Look here. HCF of two numbers is given. That is nothing but 8. HCF of two numbers is 8. So they are asking which of the following can never be LCM? Which of the following can never be LCM? Now observe carefully. I already told you. LCM means least common multiple. Yes or no? So if HCF is 8, LCM should be multiple of 8. Yes or no? It should be multiple of 8. Now look, 40 is multiple of 8, 48 is multiple of 8, 46 is multiple of 8, but 42 is not multiple of 8. So that is reason which of the following can never be LCM means answer is 42. We have exclusive batches of arithmetic, reasoning, English, general studies. All these batches are available. Complete English medium classes will be discussed in that. If you want to watch classes in bilingual languages, in Telugu and English combined together, even those also available. We have exclusive English medium classes. We are going to cover each and every topic in detail in these courses. If you want any of these subjects, you can take. Or else if you want to take arithmetic, reasoning, advanced maths combined together, we have 0-tier batch. In this batch, all 3 subjects I am going to teach, and I am going to teach it from very basic to advanced level. In this, we are going to provide you classes, PDF material for each and every topic, and topic exams also will be provided in this batch. So all these batches are available, and as I have told you, railway batches, railway group D batch, railway NTPC, railway LP, all these batches are available, classes are available separately in English medium and separately in Telugu medium also. And coming to SSC, all CGL batches, CHSL, MTS, stenographer, GD, CPO, all these batches are available. And for bank aspirants, bank examinations batches also available.